Model, 64-plate VAUXHALL CORSA 1.3 CDTI timing chain is noisy. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 111304. MOT, 24 August 2024. Engine, 1248 cc A13 DTC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Timing chain is stretched, rattling, possibly needs turbo replacing as well. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401